Hi, I'm Justine Barone, and I'm the founder and CEO of Gearo, a SaaS-enabled outdoor gear marketplace. A few years ago, I was sitting in my car on a warm, sunny day when I decided I wanted to try paddleboarding. Having never gone before, I realized that renting was my best option. So I grabbed my phone and Googled paddleboard rental in Denver. These were my results. Lots of different options and very little information actually existed online. So I started calling each retailer one by one and asking for pricing, availability, and product details. After over an hour of calling, I still didn't have a paddleboard and I was still sitting in my car. Ultimately, that day, I gave up on the idea of trying paddleboarding, and I was stuck dumbfounded by how something as simple as renting a board could be so complicated. I met with one of the owners of a paddleboard shop, and he actually pulled out a calendar from his back pocket that he was shading as rentals came in. In that moment, I realized that the outdoor industry had been technologically left behind. And that is when I created Gearo to solve these problems. And that owner became our first official retailer. Gearo is a SaaS-enabled outdoor gear marketplace. We give consumers access to accurate, transparent, and bookable inventory that is available across our network of over 200 retailers in 75 cities. On the marketplace, you can rent and buy gear as well as book experiences. Searching for a bike rental in a particular location has never been easier. You just view all your options and click one and reserve online. It's super simple. 40% of our retailers use our booking platform to access online booking capabilities for their websites and stores, as well as intuitive analytics. Our booking platform gives us access to real-time inventory booking data that we need for the supply side of our marketplace, and our retailers actually pay for this. Outdoor gear is expensive if you're trying an activity for the first time, and it's not ideal to spend hundreds of dollars on something that you may only use once. It's also a hassle to travel with. So we tried to solve these problems as well, and we recently launched the world's first gear rental pass, where people can try all different gear throughout the year. It's awesome for beginners who don't want to invest, but also great for experts who want to try the best and latest gear without the hassle. Since we launched in the summer of 2018, we've watched a flywheel effect take place. And it starts with our retailers using Gearo on their websites and in their stores. All of these transactions go through our marketplace. And unlike other marketplaces that pay for customer acquisition, we're able to increase customers at a $0 customer acquisition cost. More customers ultimately means more retailers and inventories for us. This year, we increased our retailers by 189% while keeping churn under 1%. We also just had our best summer yet and are ramping up for an incredible winter too. We're already up 500% from our GMV we had last December at this time, and we currently have a wait list for retailers to join the platform. Our business is a true marketplace, and we take a fee on every transaction. That fee varies depending on where it originated. So if it starts at Gearo.com, then we take 15%. If it starts at the retailer's website or in their store, we take 5%. The outdoor industry is ripe for disruption. With antiquated processes and a high amount of fragmentation, Gearo is positioned perfectly to own the $2.6 billion rental market. And that does not include our rent-to-buy opportunity, where over $140 billion is spent every year on outdoor gear. We are aggregating everyone in the entire ecosystem of outdoor gear rentals, from rental retail providers to software providers. everyone within the gray boxes can be our partners. In fact, you may see Black Tie Skis there, and we actually closed them last month. They're one of the largest retailers in the nation, and now we can service over 40 resorts with a white glove delivery as a result. I've spent the last decade scaling startups from 0 to 7-figure businesses, and I'm so proud of the team that we've built while staying scrappy. We are just getting started, and I'm excited for the future. If you're excited about what we're doing too, I'd love to chat with you afterwards. Thanks.